Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. A strong and healthy shaitan. Two shaitans once met each other. One of them was strong and healthy while the other was weak and feeble. The healthy shaitan asked the feeble one, "Brother, why are you so weak?" He replied, "I am deputed to be with such a pious person who recites Bismillah before entering his house, eating and drinking anything, so I have to stay away from him. But my dear, you are very strong and healthy. What is the secret behind it?" The fact shaitan the fat shaitan replied, "I am appointed to be with such a heedless person who does not recite Bismillah before entering his house and eating and drinking anything. So I take part in all of his activities and I keep riding him as one rides an animal, and this is the only secret of my good health. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.